Emma.
No.
Come here.
Let it rain. About 100
Huh?
walk from my
Choo!
I think that
Huh?
spot.
Huh?
I
No,
know
ma'am.
it's bad.
Huh?
The big source
Huh?
of benefits for me. The first one is to get a drink.
Emma.
Dangerous walking around in bare feet, but I needed to get them out of those
Choo!
booties, let them breathe, get some
Ow!
ended up with
Gerbil. Oh.
When you survive and have a knife, it's best to not use
Mommy's recording.
any other means you
Recording
can
what?
find.
Emma's fake sneezes.
Ah,
Emma.
I'm just checking on.
Or better, you can save the knife, keep it sharp. Perhaps when you really need it.
Emma. Huh?
What's his name?
Do it. Huh?
The least amount of energy possible.
Emma.
It's already in position. It's got some sharp
Have you
bits.
seen Patty Cake?
So maybe I can use this. A safe way. You just put it in the box like that. You don't keep jamming in.
What are you doing?
And then start to just push down
Huh?
the coconut here. What are you doing?
Did you fall?
Come around this side. There we go. I want this inside of this coconut.
No. No.
Little face in the front.
Oops. You fail.
Pop in there.
Emma. Huh?
There you go.
Huh?
Yes.
Where are you going? Huh? Oh.
So the trick to this is simply to
Huh?
right dead center. It's a bit.
Huh?
That way. Open it up. Two perfect.
You're so cute.
And a lot of delicious coconut.
I love you. Wayne. Wayne.
The other benefit I have now.
And then bang your because you can't destroy them once you
Oh.
jump on them. Anything you see, you have to jump on unless
Emma.
it's that black stuff you have to scrape it.
Huh? You're such a cute sneezer.
You're still recording? Oh. See what? You can't scrape it. It's gonna
Emma, give kisses.
see
Oh, how cute! Oh
another one.
God.
You gotta scrape that
Oh,
back.
careful. Oh, how sweet. You're so. Oh, kisses.
You know you can jump
You
on
were so
that
sweet. You
way.
got the thing foggy.
You can jump on that way.
No, you can't do that. Oh, how cute. You're so cute.
Hey, you can put that on YouTube.
Mhm.
That Achoo.
Mama can't go over there because the TV's right there.
Yeah. Whatever federation of you, you can get it.
Come over here. Pretty. Come here, say bye-bye.
Go, go.
Emma, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Emma.
Bye-bye.
Whoops. You okay?
Then you gotta jump
Tip,
on that
come here. Emma. Say bye-bye.
Oh.
Give kisses.
Oh, you gotta press A when you do it.
Kisses, Papa. No. Come here.
Yep. No, you just have to
Come here. Give Mama kisses.
Your door, go
And
on.
give kisses, camera.
Come on, man. Put it on. Put it on. It's over there. Yeah, you can go on. Yeah,
Love you.
yeah.